Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to add emoji in your TikTok video. So let's begin. So first of all, you need to open your TikTok application. So after open it, you can see this is your profile, and if you want to add a emoji in your TikTok video, so what should you do? You just need to select in this plus icon at the middle, and you can take a video like that. I just take a video. Okay, after that there have a option sticker at the right side, so select on sticker, and at the right side there have a option emoji. You just select it, and you can take any emoji from here, and you can drag and replace it anywhere. You can make it bigger or smaller, anything, do it. After that you just select next, and then again post, and then open your profile, and you can see your video already uploaded. So open it, and you can see you already added a emoji in your TikTok video. So I hope you can understand, and I hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.